In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Bellyache by Billie Eilish. Here's a demo of what that song sounds like. Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover. What an expensive fake. My V is for vendetta. Thought that I'd feel better, but now I got a bellyache. Hey, welcome back to this channel. If you got your ukulele on you and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, let's dive right into this tutorial. Also, you're invited to be part of my ukulele community on Patreon. It's called the U Crew, and there you'll have access to chord charts, exclusive tutorials, and other opportunities to strum along with uke players around the world. So join the family. Click on the link in my description box below, and I hope to see you there. And finally, I want to thank Kumu Ukulele for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase this amazing concert-sized model called the CM54A. I love the design. It has a tux finish. Look at that binding. I mean, it's very sophisticated, so it makes for a really good decorative piece. And if you play it, you can plug into any amp, and you can experiment with different effects like reverb, chorus, and delay, and it has your volume knob as well. So if you want to get your hands on this ukulele model, then don't forget to click on the link in my description box below. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play Bellyache. And those chords are C major, A minor, and E minor. Now, if you already know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead. Otherwise, let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for this song is C major. To play that, just take your 3rd finger and press down on the 1st string of the 3rd fret. This is C major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is A minor. And the last chord for the song is E minor. To play that, just take your 1st finger, press down on the 1st string of the 2nd fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 4th fret. This is E minor. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be chuck, up, chuck, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the C major chord. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Chuck, up, 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 chuck, up. By the way, if you want to learn more about how to chuck on the ukulele, then check out my How to Chuck Ukulele tutorial. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be C major for 2 turns of the string pattern, A minor for 2 turns, and then E minor for 4 turns of the string pattern. Let's play those elements all together now. 1 and 2 and C major, down strum, ready, play. Chuck, up, chuck, up, chuck, A minor, chuck, up, chuck, E minor, chuck, up, chuck, chuck, up, chuck, chuck, C major, chuck, chuck, A minor, chuck, chuck, E minor, chuck, 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 chuck. And now let's play that strumming pattern and the chord progression a little bit faster. 1, 2, C major, down strum, ready, play. Chuck, chuck, A minor, chuck, E minor, chuck, 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 C major, chuck, A minor, chuck, E minor, chuck, chuck. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's put that together with the lyrics and play through Bellyache. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Where's my mind? Maybe it's in the gutter where I left my lover. What an expensive fake. My V is for vendetta. Thought that I'd feel better, but now I got a bellyache. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Bellyache. And that's You Play Bellyache by Billie Eilish. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial, and I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to thank RJ Hikes and Chance Wagonfield for supporting me on Patreon and for allowing me to continue creating ukulele content like this tutorial. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to consider joining the U Crew on Patreon, and to check out this next tutorial so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.